Today we got a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is Burlington Shoplifters Caught Red-Handed with Bags Full of Merchandise.
So can you let me know what's going on a little bit more? What we get is very sporadic.
We have two females in here.
Okay.
They've came in. This is our usual. They come in about 10-15 and they run around in stuffed carts and then they attempt to walk out with them.
Okay.
These ones came in very suspicious from the beginning. Came in with empty bags, backpacks, stuff like that. But that's what we've noticed. They're literally just grabbing stuff.
So are they still in here right now doing it?
Still in right now.
Okay. So they're it's in progress essentially. Okay. And I see that my bags just got here too. So I will wait for them to come in and then we'll head in there. So this back end over here through here. Okay.
Zigzagging.
All right, thank you.
But they're the usual suspects.
Yeah.
What are we doing? Are we waiting for them to actually steal?
That's what I'm wondering.
Like in the Target overtime days, you just wait for them just so you have something to do? Yeah. What's the word?
This is what they look like. Now she has this bag in the basket in the other bag. And as I'm going past the men's shoes now, you can kind of see her in the basket.
She's putting items in there.
You can kind of see her working in there. She's got watches, she's got shoes, they've got all kind of stuff in that basket. And this one, her backpack looks a little bigger than it was when she got here. But they're both in the back corner of our store right now.
We got an officer set up around the back side.
Yeah, that's usually the ones that hang out by the men's shoes are usually the ones that hit the emergency door. So.
And is there four of them or just those two?
Two. He said that the other two people that came in at the same time as them.
Did they already leave?
This gentleman and another guy that came in right behind them, they've walked out already.
Oh, with items or without?
No.
Okay, just.
They came in, kind of looked around, and then they left, and then those two stayed.
And it's the red hair, blue hair girls.
Yeah, it's like a copper. It's like a copper color, and then hers, the part that's hanging out of her hat, you can see that it's like a bluish color. Okay. Hers is like really.
Did we already air those descriptions or no? They're in the CAD. Oh, okay. So they were aired when the call came out. I just saw the red hair, blue hair. Yeah, I was like, got it.
Well, I am.
And like a puffer jacket or something.
20 minutes, and that's usually when they take a run for it. So let me do that and see if they make a move.
Okay. Can you just have your loss prevention if you just kind of gives like a thumbs up as they're coming near? Uh-oh, she came back already. That was quick.
They're in line right now. Their bags are pretty full, but we always have the ones that stuff and then they go pay for 2 or 3 things. Or they come up here, ring up stuff, and say their card doesn't work. So I'm going to stay up here with the cashier just to see how it goes.
Okay. Sweet. Here comes one of them. Hey, ma'am. Can we talk to you real quick?
Yes.
So the store.
Yeah, we put everything back.
Okay, they want you guys to trespass.
Okay.
So we're gonna. If you don't, do you have any ID on you?
No, I don't. I got warrants.
Okay.
Good, how are you?
How we doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
How we doing? So
We're fine.
So
what's wrong? What happened?
okay, so the store wants you guys to trespass.
Okay.
Do you have any ID on you?
No, I'm from California.
You're from California? Okay.
My ID was in my purse when we got robbed.
2 E's like this, and then what's your?
Courtney.
Okay, we're gonna work through this. What's your last name, ma'am? What's your last? Okay.
Do either of them have anything on them right now?
In their bags. They stuff
Both of
stuff in
them?
their bags. I know this lady with the ones on her body. Those are the ones that she had in the basket.
Okay.
Everything
Do we
she had
know
in the
for
basket.
sure about the other girl kind of walking away?
I'm not positive,
Okay.
but I know her backpack does look fuller than it looks like she did.
Okay, but for sure the white jacket one, for sure.
Yeah, they.
Okay.
First time. Okay. In the store. Like I wasn't lied to you.
So we're gonna go ahead.
That's fine.
So take these back.
Take this back off.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Just relax.
All right.
Can you take this one off as well?
Am I being arrested? Why am I being arrested, sir?
So we'll plan in just a second, okay?
Okay, but why am I being arrested? But why am I being handcuffed?
For theft. Okay. For theft.
This is my first time being in this Burlington, sir.
Okay. So for stealing.
For stealing.
They are saying that they saw you put stuff in your bags, and now you're walking out with.
Why am I being arrested? Why am I being arrested, sir? I didn't do anything, sir. This is my first time in Burlington, sir. What do you think, man? What do you think they're gonna find when they open them bags up, man? Who even goes in the store with big duffel bags come on, man. Like, you don't make yourself obvious. Like, that's obvious. That's completely obvious, man. And then the other one, she tomboyish or whatever. And, but still got them tendencies, boy. Hey, listen. The hardware may be different, but the software the same, man. The outer appearance may be a little different, but the inside the same. And what I mean by that is she start with the waterworks. I got a court date. I can't. Still the same, man. Man up. You man up, man. Come on. You got it. You got it in you.
Said bags. So that would be stealing.
There's nothing in there.
Okay.
That's my stuff. That's why I said there's nothing.
Okay,
There's
talk
in
to
my
him.
backpack.
Is this your guys' product? She's saying that it's hers.
No, those are from over here.
Okay.
Shoes is not.
Not your guys'?
No.
And then whatever those headphones aren't either? The BT21s?
Let me ask the manager.
Okay. You say American Eagle, so I'm assuming no. How about some shoes or the headphones?
No, those aren't from here.
Okay. That's just the first bag, so. Yeah. What bag was she putting it in?
The bag type.
So both
Duffel
the
bags.
So not this one?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Whose stuff is this?
That's mine.
Oh, not to that part yet? Oh, all right, my bad.
And you said the only thing out of that bag is the coat.
I promise you don't.
Okay. Is there
Oh, you
anything
promise,
in the
huh?
bags?
No,
But she-
that's our stuff. That's
In the bags.
Besides the coat is theirs.
Okay.
But other than that, that's our stuff.
Okay.
I promise you. I'm not lying to you, officer.
Is there anything in that bag that we need to know about that belongs to the store?
So there's anything.
It's okay.
Whoa, don't go reaching now.
Just set it here. Yeah, I just want
Don't
to
go
know.
reaching.
Just for
Whoa.
Okay, so just don't open that right now. I'm sorry.
Is that her?
Oh yeah.
I don't know what you're pulling out
And she
there.
told me she had put away warrants as well. She was like, ma'am, I have warrants for theft.
Or shake, whatever? Okay.
She has warrants for theft?
We're going to take you in on those warrants.
And she's got a felony warrant.
Please, no.
Don't start crying.
Yes, they're Jordans.
They're brand new.
They're mine.
What other? Is it just this bag?
No, it's just that coat. The other stuff is not from.
I'll be honest, I'm not gonna believe what you're saying right now.
She said these two bags, not this one.
These two?
Yep, these two right
I'm
here.
not lying. I'm being honest with you. The only thing that belongs to them is that coat.
Were those warrants confirmed?
Yeah, they did.
They confirmed them.
Give me a second.
Hold off on this search. Let's make sure they're confirmed and we didn't just run her name and get warrant. 2 on 44. The warrants for Johnson, were they ever confirmed at all?
The wallets.
Oh, the wallets? Oh, darn, she lied.
Yeah, the wallets. This here.
Oh my god, it smells terrible in here. Do you guys mind getting like a dollar amount?
Sure.
Sick. Alright. Well, you lied. Like I knew you did.
No, I lied about what?
Because there's 2 wallets in there and there's a watch in there.
Oh, that was.
Ah, shucks.
Okay, well, I wasn't.
Yeah, it's confirmed.
Good? Okay, they're confirmed. So she is under arrest now for sure.
Who would have thought suspects lied? Holy shit. I wouldn't have expected that.
So if you want to continue searching her, take her, the bags, all that kind of stuff.
Okay.
So,
For that, and I'm gonna tell
And the boots, the snakeskin boots.
Yes, he said shoes in there.
I think you had like 5 theft shoplifting warrants. 4. Oh, okay.
Yes,
Sorry.
yes.
It's probably getting real rough to give you a break if you got 5.
But no, 2 of them.
Shoplifting.
I have court dates for.
I'm not trying to get you business. I'm just
I
giving
know
you
you're
a
not
piece of
trying to, but
advice.
I'm just being honest. And then
Okay.
one of them,
You
like,
gotta-
Yeah, give her a piece of advice. Pick a different profession.
Stop stealing. You got it.
I know.
You're doing a lot of
Right now, I'm trying.
you got a good work ethic if you got this much going on.
I know. I'm trying. I know. I know.
Okay. Did anybody tell you had the felony warrant out of state? Okay. That will not go away ever. It's going to be there forever. So at some point they'll probably get fed up and take you. Just know.
All right, I'm just gonna have to sit. Yep, put there, just like that. Perfect. All right, hang out here. Hey, how you doing? Can you tell me if this is yours? Yeah.
They literally trying to buy this. Like, can you hold this for us? I'm like, no, we can't.
Okay,
Yeah, let me see what this is.
but it is from here. You're sure?
It is from here. We sell these.
Yeah.
But this looks super worn.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are going to end up taking you.
Bonnie Lake confirmed.
Partially that, but mainly from us. Okay, there's a lot of stuff that and like I said, I'm gonna be straight up honest with you. Okay.
It's Bonnie Lake. I guess Bonnie Lake confirmed.
And when did they? As soon as they entered, where did they go first?
They went to shoes, women's shoes, and they went to the baby section. And that was the first place that we seen them acting a little suspicious. They were kind of just grabbing shoes, and then they would start the conversations when we came over, like, oh, what size shoe does this nephew or that nephew wear? And I'm like, you're in women's shoes, talking about what your nephew wears. From there, the one with the white sweater and the black stretch pants, we saw her leave shoes, and then she kind of hung out in the girls section. The other one began to run kind of back and forth. She was like grabbing stuff and bringing it to her, grabbing stuff, and they had the basket with a bunch of different stuff in it. And
Like a little basket that you carry over?
yeah, it was a cart.
Okay.
And then they had came here, grabbed a couple watches, went over here in our queuing, grabbed a couple wallets, and then they were hanging out in the men's shoe section. So I walked past them about 3 or 4 times, and I had noticed the things in the basket slowly disappearing. Like, I walked by, you didn't go anywhere, but the watches are gone, the wallets are gone, these things are gone, and their bags were now stuffed and zipped. At that point, it was about 5-6 minutes before that when I called you guys because I noticed the suspicious behavior. After that, they attempted to come up to the register. They took 2 things out of the basket, a pair of shoes and a kid's jacket, and told my cashier, oh, my card's not working, I'm gonna have to go to the ATM before she even rang anything up, and then walked out with the bags.
Okay, so I guess that's it. They're not even telling us at the end how much time they got or whatever the case may be. But hey, whatever. Send them packing, man. They got to get a new profession, man, because you stealing all the time and you getting caught. Like, you got 5 thefts, man. That's partly your part. That's partly because of the justice system, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. Yo, send them away. Give them a 3 to 5, or give them a 3 to 7 or something, man. Something they need or 3 flat. They need some jail time, man, because to keep doing the same thing over and over and over again is just ridiculous, man. How many chances are you gonna give them anyway? I think the cops did a great job. I like the little sting operation. I think the loss prevention person did a great job because they called prior to. It's like they already had the feeling that it was gonna happen, and they called ahead of time, had the cops out there. I feel like it was like this was a SWAT. Like, this was what? Yeah, so I think they did fantastic, man. I'm giving 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.